Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see how you can connect this earbuds, this neckband from Realme Buds with this TV. So maybe you're watching some content, maybe a YouTube video or a song or any movie on the TV, and you want to get the audio from this earbuds. Right now I'm showing you Realme Buds Wireless 3 Neo, which I unboxed like 1 month ago. I'll be posting that video in the description. If you want, you can check. So you can connect this earbuds to the TV so that whichever content you are playing will be audible from this device, so that this will be useful in the cases like whenever everyone in your house are sleeping, maybe in that point of time, if the speakers are working, that may be disturbance to others. In that case, this idea will be useful. Okay, first of all, on your TV, just click on the settings here. If possible, I'll just zoom in here. Yeah, here you'll have the settings gear icon. You need to just select that settings. Okay, once the settings are here, you need to choose the last option, which is remotes and accessories. Remotes and accessories. Okay, I'll be selecting that, and I'll be clicking on add accessory, the first option, and I should be sure that this is turned on. See here, this is lightly is blinking. I just need to separate these two earbuds so that it will be in the pairing mode, so that the TV can recognize this earbuds. Okay, let us wait for a moment so that they both get discovered and paired, and then we can connect. Yeah, see here, as they are in the pairing mode, I will show you this is in the pairing mode, and now I'll show you the name here, Realme Buds Wireless Neo 3. So this is the name of the earbuds, and what I'll do is with the remote, currently my remote is not working. That is the Samsung TV, 43-inch TV. So I'm using just this Google TV app as the remote. Okay, that's the reason I need to just select that. I just selected it, and it is saying like pairing. Okay, pairing, and there is a confirmation here. I need to confirm the pairing. Now I'll be just click on this pair here, pair. Before pairing, currently connected to, yes, paired. So I'll be showing you by going close here. These are the buds. See the connected option, connected this wireless buds. So now I'll be playing a YouTube video now. With the same remote, what I'll do is I'll be going to homes, and I'll be navigating to YouTube, and maybe I'll play a small yeah. So currently ad is being played here. Now the audio is visible from here. I'll be just putting this to yeah, the currently that audio is playing on here. So for example, I'll be just closing it here. So as soon as I close here, the audio will be see, as soon as I open this, the Bluetooth got connected and the video is getting played. The audio is coming from this earbuds. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.